Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how I make my ARBI Ki Sabji. ARBI actually is colocasia in English, and some people they call it taro, and it is from the family of yam. So here I got some of the ingredients. Here I got 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 pieces chopped tomatoes, 2 pieces chopped onions, and I have here 2 pieces green chilies. So as usual, I don't chop it because we don't eat spicy food, so you can chop it if you want to. So this is how it looks like. So we have to wash it, peel it, and slice it. So this is how I slice it. So here in a pan, I'm adding some mustard oil. So we are going to heat this mustard oil until it becomes like burning hot. So now it is really hot, so this is the time I'm gonna add my ARBI in it. So keep stirring it, guys. So we have to shallow fry this ARBI until it becomes soft. So it looks like half cooked now. Trust me guys, this is a very tasty kind of vegetable. So now it looks like soft, and I think this is the time to remove it, and we have to put it in a kitchen paper to remove the excess oil in it. So here I'm leaving a little bit of oil in the pan. So we have to warm it again, and let's add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. So let's wait for the cumin seeds to crackle. And followed by my 2 green chilies and my chopped onions. So let's saute this onion until it becomes translucent. So after this onion becomes translucent, we have to add our ginger garlic paste. It's not in the video. And as you can see, I have put 1 teaspoon of salt to make the onion cook fast. So now it looks good. So this is the time I'm gonna put all the masalas in it. So first, we have to add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, followed by 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, and half teaspoon of black pepper powder and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. So now cook the masala for a moment. So when it is done, let's add our chopped tomatoes. So let's cook it for about 2 minutes. Let's cover it. So let's check it. So now it is cooked. So I'm adding a teaspoon of salt again. Remember, we have added 1 teaspoon of salt before. So I have added 1 teaspoon of garam masala and a kitchen king masala. So keep stirring it to avoid the masala sticking at the bottom of the pan. And it looks good. So this is the time I'm gonna add my fried ARBI. So now let's mix it. Keep stirring until it becomes, keep stirring until it mixes all together with the masala. This is a very easy recipe, guys, and it is a very tasty kind of vegetable. So now it is done. So let's cover it for a minute. So let's check it once again. And now it is done. It is almost done. So all we need to do now is to stir it once again and let's garnish it with coriander leaves, and it is ready to serve. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. I hope you try this at home, and please do subscribe to my channel, like and share it, and please leave a comment on the comment section below. Thanks for watching, guys. And now I'm adding some lemon juice. This is optional, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. Enjoy!